Good morning, all my dear students of class 5. As we have already finished the lessons of EVS class 5, all the 4 lessons which are in the syllabus of PA1. So, we will be doing revision. We have already done the revision of lesson number 1 and 2. The last lesson which we have done revision is on the move. So, today we are going to start the revision of lesson number 3. The name of the lesson, as you can see in the picture, is a natural balance. Let's start. As you can see in the picture, it is written that look at this picture and talk about them in class. Look at Sheru, she looks hungry. Thank God I found these leaves just in time to feed her. Sheru got her food. I wonder where the leaves get their food from. Nani, plants make their own food. We don't need to feed them. So here, as you can see, a conversation is going on in between the grandchild and grandma. So grandma is asking that from where the leaves get its food, and the grandchild is, by going through the book, he is telling that Nani, plants make their own food. We don't need to feed them. So let us go through the next paragraph. As you can see in the next paragraph, it is written: all living things need food to survive. Animals are dependent on plants for food, shelter, and oxygen, while green plants make their own food. Both groups eat different types of food and acquire in different ways. So as we have already done the lesson, so I've already explained you that all living things need food to survive. Animals are dependent on plants for food, shelter, oxygen, while green plants make their own food. And animals such as we are also depend on plants for food, plants and animals for food, and we are consumer, as I already told you, and plants are producers. Now the next one is food for plant. From where do the plants get food? What is the process by which plants get food is known as. So let us go through the paragraph. Before going through the paragraph, as you can see in the picture is all about photosynthesis, where you can see the plant is absorbing sunlight, carbon dioxide, oxygen, and using chlorophyll and water to produce its own food. Now let us go to the paragraph. As you can see, the name of the paragraph is, it's written as food for plant. So green plant. Plants need sunlight, carbon dioxide, and water to live. Green plants are called producers because they make their own food, as I already told you. The process by which green plants make their food in the presence of chlorophyll, sunlight, carbon dioxide, and water is known as photosynthesis. It takes place in the leaves. During photosynthesis, green plants absorb energy from the sun. This energy is absorbed with the help of a pigment called chlorophyll, which is present in all green leaves. Water and minerals are absorbed by the roots and are carried to other parts of the plant. Carbon dioxide is absorbed through tiny pores in the leaves that are called stomata. So what are the tiny pores in the leaves are known as? They are known as stomata. Sunlight, water and carbon dioxide are used to make food in the form of glucose or sugar, and oxygen is released into the air. The following reaction explains the process of photosynthesis. This is the reaction which explains the process of photosynthesis very clearly, such as you can see, carbon dioxide plus water, then sunlight, chlorophyll, they form sugar plus oxygen. Now, a portion of glucose is used by plants for their growth. The remaining glucose is stored as starch in different parts of the plant, such as roots, stems, leaves, seeds, and fruits. Some vegetables like potato and tapioca are rich in starch. Plants obtain nutrients from the soil. Over time, these nutrients run out and need to be replaced. This is why gardeners and manure add manures and fertilizer to the soil. The next page, as you can see, it's a parasitic plant, which I already described you. So let us go through it. Plants that obtain nutrition by growing on other plants are called parasitic plants. The plants on which the parasitic plants feed are called host plants. So there are two types of plants: parasitic plants and host plants. Parasitic plants means plants that obtain nutrition by growing on other plants are called parasitic plants. On the other hand, what are host plants? The plants on which parasitic plants feed are called host plants. So now some of the examples of parasitic plants are such as mistletoe, then Rafflesia, dodder, or cascuta are some of the parasitic plants. So for today's class I'm ending here. In the next class we will doing the revision of the same lesson. Till then, thank you.